Alright guys, Alex here with Master Garage again. We are gonna work on 2015 Dodge Dart Rally. Okay, the brake booster. The brake booster, the brake was super hard, and but I diagnosed that the brake booster was defective. So simply, all you need to do, this is the vacuum pump, and this is the hose goes to that. Disconnected from the booster, let the engine run. See if you have a vacuum over here. If you do, so that could be the brake. The diaphragm inside there, it's inside the brake booster is bad. So in order to do that, take the battery off, take the fuse box right here up out of the way. ABS control module has to come off. All this brake pipe and everything. So there is four. When you remove the master cylinder, there is four more bolts. Let me see if I can give you more light. There is four more. Sorry about less light. Actually, there is four more bolts behind the brake pedal. There is a screw and nut, just like that. Take it off, and you're gonna see this plastic connector. It goes behind the booster. But all you need to do before that, you have to push the brake pedal all the way down. When you push that down, you can put a vice grip and lock the nipple from here. It will give you enough room to take that one back out of there, because otherwise you won't have enough room to take it out. So, and this is the four nut from here behind the brake pedal. You're gonna lose them. Use 13mm socket, and as soon as you have that vice grip lock in there, you should be able to pull the booster out. So see, if I release it, it's gonna pop back in there, and it's gonna be very long. You won't be able to take it out to wiggling and take it out from that actually hose. So I already ordered the brand new booster. I'm gonna put it back together, and that was it. The brake booster usually goes bad on any kind of reason. Most likely the diaphragm inside has been broken, and we have a vacuum here, but the brake was so hard. Anyway, that was all. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless you.